But that's what the fish. Oh! Fuck! Ah, shit! What the fuck? It slipped right. Fuck! That last mouthful was real. Yo, what up? It's Joey B. I'm back with another Real Mouthful episode, and today we got not turtles on the half shell, but redfish on the half shell. The only way to cook a damn redfish on the half shell is to use the pit balls. Yeah. 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 Alright, here's the game plan. Ugh. You ever tussle with a redfish in the waters and you're trying to hunt them down and BAM! Just slap to the face. Yeah. So today we got redfish on the half shell. Super, 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 super excited. We got this lovely armor on the outside that's gonna allow us to cook high heat, but not overcook our fish. I'm gonna treat this fish like it's the freaking cow of the ocean. We're gonna do a brisket rub and then hit it up with a cream sauce that we're gonna make outside in the real kitchen. And then we're gonna tie it all together with some little mini pita breads. But we're gonna church it up. We're going classy, trashy. You know what it is, a real mouthful. It's your boy Joey B. Got our redfish, right? Oh, don't forget the paper towels. Paper towels to dry this fish off. All right, so when doing a redfish on the half shell, don't get intimidated. All we're gonna do is season, throw it on the freaking grill, and walk away. I think the hardest part about this whole thing, guys, really, is probably the wait. Because it's so damn easy. You really just have to wait for time to give you everything you want. But, dry the fish off. Look at that. Keep the scales on. Scales are, like I said, it's an armor. It's gonna help us be able to keep moisture in the fish, also allow us to, I guess it's the same thing when you really think about it, keeping moisture in the fish and not drying it out. That's all we're trying to do. All right, cool. Get a spoon. Okay, let's get some melted butter. Let's put some butter on there, dude. You know, we're gonna treat this like, kind of like a brisket in a sense, but instead of mustard, I'm gonna throw some butter on there because it wouldn't be a real mouthful unless you had a real mouthful of butter all over that fish. And this is also gonna help us use a little higher heat, but not overcook the fish. I'm busting out Suckle Busters. Best in Texas 1836. I don't know what this shit is. I pulled it out of homie's cabinet. I wanted a brisket rub, and this is what we're doing. Let's taste it. Oh, I see some peppercorn, seasoned salt, typical shit. Whew. Got a whole peppercorn. Ah. Anything in my teeth? All right. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Realistically, this is just kind of like doing a fucking blackening. Whatever. Who cares? Get all the nooks and crannies. Get all that right there. And literally, that's all we're gonna fucking do. We're gonna let time take over. I don't know why, but I got that song Cher stuck in my head. If I can turn back time. But I don't want to turn back time. I want to speed it the fuck up, Cher. All right, that's what we look like. That's what we look like right there. Hey, I'd like to thank our sponsors. You're waiting for it, aren't you? If you want to sponsor us, just sponsor us. E.g., Death Water, all that shit, you know? Sponsor us. Or you don't have to. But that's what the fish is. Oh! Fuck! Ah, shit! What the fuck? It slipped right. Fuck! Oh my God! It's off the hook!
It was beautiful.
Where did it fall on?
Before.
We're gonna wash it off. You thought I did that shit on purpose?
Yeah.
Fuck no.
All for the views, baby.
I didn't do it on purpose.
I would say that's.
Dude, this is what, like, in all honesty, like, behind the scenes, you know, you guys, there's no behind the scenes here. Everything is just like, we don't lie to you. This is real.
It's all smudged.
Keep that part in the video.
It's all real. All this shit's gonna stay in the video. We're gonna do that cool thing where, like, I snap my finger and then it, like, fucking. Cool, we got the fish again. Hey, the fish was still alive, man. That's how fresh it was, man. It just jumped off the goddamn fucking. Man, I ain't never seen no fish just resurrect like that, man. All right, let's go to the pit, boss. Let's go to the pit, boss. The magic number, 420. That's how I'm smoking my fish. It's my magic number. But we're gonna put it off to the side again. But check us out. You wanna get a close up of this. Because I was trying to do this, but I wasn't trying to do this, but I was trying to do this now. Oh shit. Alright. Close it up. That's the pit, boss. After we got the fucking fish on the pit, boss, now I'm gonna show you how to church up these little mini pita breads. This shit's gonna be delicious. Let me clean this off real quick. First and foremost, you need a bab. What's a bab? Big ass bowl. Then you need your pita. And then some other shit. Hold on. Get this. Let's get some basil. I want some basil in there. I want some basil. This is some kaffir lime leaf. When your stuff comes in a bag like this, that means you did not buy it from the store and you have a dealer for it. I do have a dealer for kaffir lime leaf. If you're looking, let me know. And then we need a little Thai chili, because that shit's delicious. Some of this big ass garlic. B-A-G, bag it up with the bab. All right, I think that's everything. Oh, we got a little oil here. We got a little oil here. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some fucking seasoned pita breads. All right? Let's get off with our garlic. It's another reason. You know what, dude? Like, I'm getting real sick and tired in these episodes. Peeling my own fucking garlic. Washing my own pants. I'm just kidding. I don't mind it. There's something about smashing your own garlic that just makes a man feel like, I'm worth it. Smash the shit out of it like the last episodes before, the other episodes that you've watched previously. Smash the shit out of the garlic. Boom! And if you don't boom, then your garlic won't bloom. You see that? I'm a rapper. These are actually really huge ass pieces of garlic. I think these are elephant garlic. Did you buy elephant garlic, my dude?
I think so.
Dude, you know? Ah! Let's chop this garlic up nice and, you know, minced, whatever. We're gonna use that. I know somebody commented, or somebody made the comment like, oh, I don't need you to show me how to cut. Well, you know what? If you already know how to cut, then just cut this out of your freaking whole watch list and don't even watch me show you how to do anything. All right, chopping that garlic up. Whatever. I like chunky garlic. I fucking hate vampires. So that's why we do a lot of garlic. Okay, this right here, this kaffir lime leaf, a little can go a long way. Or if your dealer is just shysting you and gives you the small leaves, you have to use a little more. So I'm talking to you, dealer. Yeah, I ain't gonna say your name out in public, but you shysted me on this bag, dog. Frozen ass bag. I'm just kidding. The dealer is me. So we're gonna just roll these all up. We're gonna chop this real thin. We just want this real thin. Real thin so that it can stick to the bread. Dude, this bread is gonna be so sick. Like when you taste it with the redfish, because the redfish ain't gonna take long. But when you taste it with the redfish, you're gonna be like, oh, what the hell? This shit good. And it's only gonna take you, well, we're doing it at 420 degrees, right? We're gonna put it in the oven for 420 degrees, which is the same, we're gonna put it on the pit boss. That's our oven. And then we're gonna get some basil, do the same shit, chop it up nice and thin. And then we're gonna hit it with a little salt and pepper. And then we got our seasoned bread. I wish you guys could be here. Like, wish microphones had noses, like smell-o-vision. I know everybody says that shit, but like, woo, smells good. All right, now we get some red chili. We're gonna use 3 Thai chilies. Dude, make sure you wash your hands after you cut chilies. The side of my face is burning right now. All jokes aside, we're going into the bowl. Boom. This is how simple it is, right? 3 ingredients, salt, pepper, 4 or 5 ingredients, you know. Boom, add some oil to all that stuff that we did. And then we're gonna hit it with some salt and pepper. Over the top of this basketball player. Did I miss all of that? You know, okay, so I'm gonna tell you about where I'm taking this, where I'm kind of churching this up from. When Andrew and I were very young, there was this pizza place that we used to work at. We're not gonna name drop the pizza place. But they used to serve this bread with oil and shit, you know what I'm saying? And that's kind of where we're going with this, you know? So it's like, you know, this is a very dear dish to me. I'm just kidding, I'm just saying that shit so that he doesn't lock me in the fucking basement again. I'm gonna use a little lime juice, just a hint of lime juice, there you go. A little white pepper, a little more white. All right, now we're gonna hit it up with, check this out. Yeah! Okay, cool. We're gonna zhuzh it up, get a little spoon that has some butter on it. I don't give a shit, whatever. We're gonna zhuzh it up. Matter of fact, you can't, I'm gonna add just this, like this semi-melted butter so that it kind of sticks to everything. Oh, screw it, we're gonna use all the butter, why not? And if you would like to give the whole stick of butter, y'all know what that was. That was like a pour, I don't know. All right, this is what we're gonna do. Clap, 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 clap. Toss it, toss it, twist it, pull it, pop it. Okay, now we gotta put these fuckers, we're gonna put these on this thing, right? Ah! We almost dropped another piece of food. This is the rhythm of the night. Oh, Lord. We're gonna get flagged for all the fucking songs that I sing. This is smelling freaking delicious, dude. Honestly, I'm having heart palpitations just smelling it. I was gonna try to go all in an order, but the ADD kicked in. If I worked at a restaurant, I'd probably get beat or locked in a basement. I'll be honest with you, right now, I think the only thing missing is Parmesan cheese. All right, just throw some fucking parm on it. Hey, hold up. We're going back to the pit boss. We're going to pit boss. I think we're almost done with that fish. If you want my honest opinion, we're like almost done. When these are done, then we're done. Now we're gonna do the cream sauce. Cream sauce is super easy. Take a little basil, a little caper, a little Meyer lemon juice, a little white pepper, and some heavy cream. And that's it. And we're gonna reduce it. Oh, and then throw in some fucking butter. All right, start off with some garlic. Again, super smash, bro. This time we only need 1 clove. Ah, 2 cloves, okay. Double, oh, double hate the vampires. Boom, boom. Action. Yellow onion. We only need half an onion. All right, cool, here we go. Onion, garlic, let's go make this freaking sauce. All right, fucking A, bro. Some capers. Yeah, look at that, look at that, wow. All those bubbles mean that the liquid is reducing, the water is reducing, and we're getting more just fat. So therefore, our sauce is going to have this beautiful sheen. See that beautiful sheen? We just need to remove just a little more liquid. Once these bubbles start tightening up, see how they're big? They're gonna start tightening up. They're gonna start making small bubbles like right they are on the outside. They're gonna start making them small bubbles all the way around. Once you start getting all these small bubbles, boom, your cream sauce done, see? What'd I tell you about small bubbles, son? A little butter right there. Look at those bad boys. Toasted. Oh my God, it's so hot, it's so hot. All right, so let's put this fucking beautiful cream sauce. Let's slather it on top. How should we do it? Should we spoon it over? You wanna see me spoon it over? Here, I'm gonna spoon it over for you. Oh yeah. But then I'm just gonna get lazy with it and just like make love. I've been really trying, baby. Trying all that to beat him for so long. And if you feel like I do, baby, we're gonna make it pretty for you guys. Right? We're gonna make it pretty. Here we go. Here we go. Little pepper, boom, over the shoulder. All right, now we're just gonna, boom, line these bitches up like this. Little crostinis. Little crostinis. These are bad. Bro, look at that dish. Tell me you wouldn't want to watch a movie all by yourself, lonely, like a loser on a Saturday night, but you may be a loser, but you got a redfish on a half shell to enjoy it with. All right, back off! Okay, let's see how we did. This is beautiful, look at that. Dude, that can feed like 3, that can feed 4, that can be an appetizer, it can be a main dish. Are you ready? Are you ready? First, let's taste the sauce. Let me taste the sauce. Let's see how good I did with the sauce. Boy, that's freaking good. You want to taste? Are you sure? It's chicken nuggets. Let's get a bite. So we grab our crostini. I just want to eat the crostini by itself. Ooh, yeah! That is good! Bro! Can I hire myself to cook for me? All right, let's dig in. Here's the redfish. Dude, I'm gonna put it on the crostini because that's how I meant it to be. Throw some sauce on there. Oh, okay. Redfish on the half shell. Here we go. Woo. That's good. Get it. Let's get it. That's a real mouthful. That's redfish on the half shell. I'm Joey B. Go like, subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comments. Peace out. Hang loose. Stop looking at me.